How to enable user statistics on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable user statistics on Opera Mini. First thing you're gonna do is go to Opera Mini and then click this Opera icon here, and then click here. And now just go down until you find this one, advanced, and click on it. And then you will find here this one, user statistics, and click on it. And then click enable it. And as you see, the statistics has been enabled. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.